Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Settings on your iPad and tap General near the top of the list. Back up your iPad before changing region to preserve data and settings. Scroll down and tap Language and Region to view current region and language settings. Make sure you have your Apple ID and password ready if prompted. If your iPad is managed by an organization, contact your administrator because restrictions may block changes. Tap Region to open a searchable list of countries and territories. Use the search bar to type a country name or scroll to find it quickly. Select a new region to update date, time, number, and currency formats across apps. The calendar, temperature, and currency symbols will adjust automatically. Restart your iPad after changing region to apply all regional formats and prevent app glitches. Open App Store, tap your profile, and sign out if switching to a different country store. You may need to cancel subscriptions and spend App Store credit before changing region. Update payment method with a valid billing address for the new region when prompted by Apple. Some purchased content may not be available in the new region and may disappear from your library. Sign back into App Store with your Apple ID and verify payment settings after.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.